Start. Assalamu alaikum. I feel myself so lucky to show you my Karjal killings on this big day, 9th November. This day has great significance in the history of our country. The great person, great poet, great philosopher, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born on this day in 1877. Good fellows, Allama Iqbal is also known as poet of the East, dreamer of Pakistan. He for the first time suggested that the Muslim of India subcontinent should have a separate state where they could lead Islamic life. Dear fellows, the great thinker awakened the Muslims through his poetry and inspired them to create an independent land for themselves. While presiding the annual session of Muslim League at Allahabad in 1930, he clearly demanded that those parts of India where there was majority of Muslims should be joined as a separate nation. It was his efforts which eventually led to creation of Pakistan. Thank you so much. Wassalam.